Hi everyone, it's Fraser Leigh. Welcome to this really quick video. I wanted to just put together a really fast video showing you the unboxing of the new JR Quantum T4 commercial power blender. I've got it down here, it's actually quite a big box. I'm going to reach down. I'm not really massively keen on these unboxing videos, but I wanted to actually show you, I suppose if you're looking at this video, you're keen on buying one of these. So just having a look and seeing what you're getting for your money, I suppose, because these are now one of the top blenders on the market. The specifications, I suppose, the price bracket it's in is now puts it among the top blenders on the market. So to actually just see what you're getting beforehand to make a more of an informed decision is probably worthwhile. So if I actually take this off, because it's massive, I'm going to try and make these videos as normal as possible. We're just here to look at some blenders, aren't we, at the end of the day? So, we're getting everything out, and you'll see, firstly, for the money that you're paying, it's putting it in the same sort of price bracket. This is around £600, over £600 as a retail price. So, you're in the same sort of bracket as the top end Vitamix models of Blendtex. The JR machines are now actually competing and putting themselves in amongst the top blenders on the market. The beauty of this particular model and JR as a company, you get far more for your money. Having had Vitamixes before, Blendtex, you tend to get the blender recipe books, comprehensive recipe books, tamper tool, one jug. Any extra jug that you want to buy with other brands, you seem to be getting, you need to have to pay an extra £150, $150 if you're watching in the USA, which is, you spend £650, $650, whatever on a blender, and you're now having to spend some serious money more to get another jug. And I don't know, in my opinion, that doesn't sit right with me. £600 odd on a blender is a lot of money. And for me, you should be getting what you pay for. So with the JR Quantum T4, you are getting firstly a state-of-the-art, top, very good looking machine, all touch screen. No knobs, no dials, all touch screen. I'll do another video another day looking at exactly how the machine works, the functionality of the machine, because this is just an unboxing to show you what we got. It was 20 minutes long. I don't want no one's going to sit there looking at me for 20 minutes, as wonderful as I am to look at for 20 minutes. Not. Right, so what we have is pretty much everything you need to get going. JR include everything, bundle everything in the price. So there's no spending extra money on jugs that you've essentially already paid for. And you're getting everything that I'll show you here. This is everything that comes with the machine. As I say, with some of the other machines I've seen from other brands of a similar price bracket, you're getting the blender, you're getting the tamper tool, and one jug. So with JR, you're getting the main blender, all touch screen, all top technology, best technology on the market right now, all with temperature sensors and DIY memory functions. So the actual blender itself, and the rather beautiful jug, it actually looks different to any other jug. I'm going to go out on a limb and say there's no other jug or jar in America that actually looks like this. Ripple effect. It is BPA-free plastic, same as the Vitamix, same as the Blendtex and so on. But it's got this glass effect on it, which really makes it stand out and look very premium. It goes on one way because it doesn't actually go on in different ways. It does only go on front ways because it has to line up, because you've got a temperature sensor. One of the only blenders I believe, certainly at the time of this video, that has temperature sensors inside that allows you to control the temperature of the blend internally. No temperature sensors built into tamper tools. It's actually inside the machine and it will stop at certain temperatures. This is brilliant, so we'll actually show that in another video. You get your measuring jug, your cup, to follow your recipes. You actually get the tamper tool with rubber grip, no plastics here. Well, it's a plastic tamper tool, but the actual grip is is rubber, so you've got a better grip on that. Comes with a rather nifty or cool cleaning brush. I didn't see any of these with any other brands I've seen, again at the time of this video. This looks really good. You can actually get it, it's curved, so you get in amongst underneath the blades to make it all a bit easier to clean. Huge recipe book, extensive as you'd expect for a lot of money. To get an extensive recipe book, you're getting them with most of the top blenders, to be fair. Sort of a minimum requirement. A nice second, smaller recipe book for quick start blending. It's got most of your sort of simple recipes for doing your main tasks. So crushing ice, smoothies, almond flour, so a batter. The main tasks that you'll do in here, you'll have simple recipes in the quick start guide to get you started. So you get to learn how to use the machine, how the functions actually work, and then what you can do is apply it to your bigger recipes, to some of the recipes that maybe you want to do once you've got to know how to use the machine, which is a nice touch actually. Instruction manual, extensive instruction manual. Instruction manual, what more do you want me to say? So there's your main things. Already there's more with this than with others, but also JR happily throw in, no extra cost by the looks of things, a stainless steel jug. So you get your 2 litre BPA free plastic jug, comes as standard on most of the top blenders these days, but you also get a 1.75 litre stainless steel jug. So this is beautiful for doing, well, you can do everything in it, but what I would do, just personal opinion, I would probably have this out blending with your clear plastic jug for smoothies and things like that. But what I would do is for things like nut butters or bigger quantities of smoothie, if I was having to use a tamper tool, I don't want to ruin this. I want this to look nice, maybe my dry grinding of flours and things like that. This is metal, stainless steel. Superb quality stainless steel, you know, you can do anything with this. Do dry grinding, you can do your nut butters, your large volume smoothies that need to be, you know, pushed down if need be. Not that there's much pushing involved in these machines because they create a vortex and suck the food in. But certainly I'd rather be scraping away at the insides of a stainless steel jug that you can't see, also one that's going to last you, than scraping away at the plastic one and discolouring it and things like that. I'm keeping this looking nice on my worktop as long as possible. And that's something you're not getting with the other brands. You have to pay extra for dry grinding jugs, for secondary jugs, but they all go cloudy, they all look nasty after a few periods, a few times blending. You're not going to get that with the metal jug because it's metal and you can't see what's going on inside. So you can keep that looking fresh, you keep that looking fresh. You're getting these bundled in. 2 jugs included in the price. I mean, I think that's probably fair enough, isn't it? Spending £600, spending another £150, £200 or $150 if you're in the US on more accessories. I don't know. That's a little bit daylight robbery, isn't it? Cleaning brush, tamper tool, measuring cup, extensive recipe books. There's your unboxing video. Leave a little comment below. Don't unlike my video, please. Give me a thumbs up. I'm trying. Any questions you've got about the machine, please put it in the comment section. I'll answer what I can. And then stay tuned, look back, because we're going to do some blending with it. But that's the JR T4 Quantum from Juicy Retreats, and that actually, for me, is giving you the most of any blender that you currently can buy. So already worth considering, I think. All right, check back. See you soon.